Hello student, as I told you, I sent some description of diseases. Then first of all, I send you hepatitis. First, hepatitis refer to inflammation of the liver and can be caused by virus, drugs and chemicals, including alcohol. Clinically, several viral types are recognized. Hepatitis A is caused by hepatitis A virus and is spread by fecal contamination of food, clothing, toys, sharing utensils, and so forth. Fecal-oral route. It is generally is mild disease of children and young adult characterized by anorexia यानी loss of appetite. एक जनरल चिल्ड्रन में एक माइल्ड डिजीज है हेपेटाइटिस ए. In young adult by anorexia and loss of appetite, malaise, nausea, diarrhea, fever and chills. Eventually jaundice appears. कभी कभी jaundice भी appear हो जाता है. Most people recover in 4 to 6 weeks. Hepatitis A virus has single-strand RNA genome and non-enveloped capacity. Number 2, hepatitis B, serum hepatitis, is caused by hepatitis B virus. HBV is a 42 nm enveloped virus containing partially double-strand circular DNA genome. Within the core, there is dependent DNA polymers. It is spread primarily by sexual contact and contaminated syringes and transfusion equipment. It can also be spread by saliva and tears. Hepatitis B virus can be present for a year or even a lifetime and can be produced cirrhosis and possibly cancer of the liver. Person who harbor the active hepatitis B virus are at risk of cirrhosis and also become carrier. Vaccines produced through recombinant DNA technology, for example, Recombivax HB, are available to prevent hepatitis B infection. This vaccine is second generation vaccine. Number 3, hepatitis C. None A, none B. And hepatitis A or now hepatitis B. Hepatitis C is caused by hepatitis C virus. It is clinically similar to hepatitis B and is often spread by blood transfusion. Hepatitis C can cause cirrhosis and possibly liver cancer. It is evolved virus with ssRNA. Then hepatitis D, इसको डेल्टा हेपेटाइटिस भी बोलते हैं. Is caused by hepatitis D virus which has ssRNA. It is transmitted like hepatitis B. In fact, a person must be infected with hepatitis B before contracting hepatitis D. Hepatitis D results in severe liver damage and has a fatality rate higher than that of people infected with hepatitis B virus alone. Then hepatitis E, infectious NAMB hepatitis, is caused by hepatitis E virus and is spread like hepatitis A, although it does not cause chronic liver disease. Hepatitis E virus is responsible for a very high mortality rate in pregnant women. HEV has ssRNA. अब इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ हेपेटाइटिस वायरस यहाँ पे दिया गया है कि इसका क्या प्रॉपर्टीज है. जैसे वायरस एचएवी क्या हुआ, हेपेटाइटिस ए वायरस. जीनोम इसका एसएसआरएनए. मोड ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन बाय फेको ओरल. सेकंड एचबीवी, dsRNA, blood and sexual contact. SCV, ssRNA, blood sexual contact, blood और sexual contact से. HD virus, ssRNA, blood and sexual contact. HEV, ssRNA, फेको ओरल. तो ये डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ हेपेटाइटिस हैं. एज their type, hepatitis B is dangerous to other hepatitis. Different type of hepatitis. Then next day I discuss malaria, allergy and etc. Please make a note.